what's going on, everyone? So today in this video, what I got going on for y'all is I got a low-key brand unboxing. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm shouting out my boy here, Dylan, again from Worldwide Youth. You know, he sent me some more stuff and we got another Worldwide Youth unboxing right here. Basically what we're getting into. I know you guys support this brand like I do. I love this brand, stuck with it since day one, and I always try and support it in different videos like this. And now since I've even started reselling it, different things like that, I definitely want to talk about this. So I want to get straight into this. So hope you all will enjoy it. Don't forget to go enter in that Revenge Storm giveaway. Link in description. Just go check that out. And also, if you're new and feel like it, go ahead, subscribe. I'm telling you, we're literally this close to hitting 25,000 subscribers. So every subscription, you know, that means a lot to me. I really would appreciate it because we're this close. Really, like, we're like 10 away. I mean, I can check like the actual numbers. We're like 10 away, which is crazy. Maybe we'll hit it by the time this video's out. I don't know. But also drop a like in this video too. Let's try and hit, we want another one. Let's try and hit 107 likes in this video. So everybody drop a like in this video. We're gonna try and hit 107 likes and I'll do more unboxings because I can definitely got more coming soon. But yeah, that's pretty much all I want to say. Hope y'all will enjoy it. And shoot, let's get into unboxing some fire pieces. Okay, so the first piece I want to actually unbox, I talked about this one in a video as it being one of my favorite pieces from them. It was actually this jacket right here. I believe they did a collaboration with somebody for this jacket too, or if it just releases this, I don't really remember, but this jacket is so fire. I'm gonna unbox it to show you all. And yeah, I did discuss this as just being one of my favorite pieces. So right here, we got the Worldwide Youth, and we got this massive puffer right here. So as you guys can see, on this jacket, the back design is super dope. I'm posting a pic in this on Insta for like 100%. 100%. Don't even like, it's coming. Get ready. I'll post it with some fire shoes. I gotta get some new shoes, so throw some suggestions that would go with this jacket really well. But basically on the front, as you can see, it says Worldwide Youth right there, and then you got the tag right here on the inside, as you guys can see right here. It's actually, yeah, this was the Halloween collection. There you go. So for a bit more detail, you can see the tag right there. I think the tag even has some design on it, which is dope. And I just want to go over this design in the back. Like, the dragon is so hard. Like, this design is so hard. Like, don't even try and cap on me. This is hard. Here, I'm gonna put this on. I need to put this on. I'm actually gonna wear this today. Once I'm done filming this video and I go outside, hang with my boys, like, I'm gonna wear this. Let me tuck it. I gotta tuck it in right here, you know. Let the watch show, the running watch. Put this boy on. I know it doesn't really go with the fit, but whatever. Ah, my zipper stuck. Okay, I fixed it. It's a really comfy jacket. I like it. I like the quality, Dylan. Okay, so on my UK roadman vibes, but here's this jacket. I love it. I think it fits nice. Shoot, I'm a fan of this. And there's the back design, as you can see on fire. I can't even deny it. Like, Dylan, you killed the design. Your designers killed it. Whoever did it did a great job, and I think this jacket, it really fits well on the jacket. I'm a huge fan of this design right here. Just the Worldwide Youth. Like, do you mess with it? I know you do. Everybody in the comments, I know you mess with this. None of this, I'm not selling any of this either. This is personal collection stuff. Like, he gave me some really good and nice pieces for the collection. Like, these are some of the nicer Worldwide Youth pieces. So, Dylan, I don't know where you got this jacket from again, because I thought they were all gone, but you hooked me up. Like, bro, I just want to give you another thank you for sure. If you're watching this, I'm sure you are, so thank you. This first piece is really dope, and he also hooked me up, your boy, with 3 tees. So we're about to get into the 3 tees. We're gonna put those on, and shoot, this jacket resells, I'm pretty sure, pretty nicely too. So I'm sure this resells. So like, that's crazy. Like, you're giving me pieces that resell. Shout out you, man. I even know some of these tees resell, like this one, but we're all gonna get into those in a second. So how about we get into those tees? I've been talking about this jacket forever. I'm just one of my favorite pieces ever. Low-key stoked. All right, so the next piece we got, I noticed this one from the start. We got the Worldwide Youth hard jewelry tee. I didn't even know he had more of these, but apparently he did. And right here, I got one. So we're gonna put this on for sure, but I want to go over the design and the tee first. So as you can tell, nothing on the back, but the front design is super sick. Basically what you got the world burning right there, and then it says Worldwide Youth, and under it says hard jewelry, and then you got the little design right there at the top, kind of like the barbed wire right there, as you can see. And I mess with this tee again. Like, the colorway I think fits really nicely. I think the red, white, they all fit really well on the black tee, and it just, you know, they know how to design their stuff. Like, you can't even lie. So this is a really good design. I'm gonna put it on. Huge fan of it. I love the Worldwide Youth hard jewelry collab, by the way. Dylan, if you can get me in contact with William, man, I want to do an unboxing with him. Like, I'll pay for it or whatever. I support his stuff 24/7. It's dope. He got to talk with Gary V also, which is just sick. And this tee fits nicely too, as you can see. So basically, I'm a huge fan of this design right there. Like, dude, this just looks dope. So definitely, this might be a tee I'll just wear around. Like, I got a few tees now from Worldwide Youth, so I gotta now decide which ones I'll be wearing. But with my jewelry and stuff, you know, I think this tee is extra hard. I'm a huge fan. Like, shout out, I'm not gonna keep saying your name, so I'm done with that. But yeah, this is a sick design. Like, you can't even lie. Worldwide Youth and hard jewelry, They did their thing. Let's get into the next tee though. Next tee. Not sure what this one is, but we'll go over this one first. This is also from the Halloween collection. All right, next up we got this tee right here. I'm not sure what it says, but obviously it says Worldwide Youth, I can tell. So right there, you know. I think it says actually, dude, I cannot tell. But aside from that, basically we got a baby with bat wings holding the world. I think it says Youth Life. I think it says something like that. Or no, it doesn't say Youth Life, but it says something. Cause this, I know this part says Youth right here. It's very noticeable that this says Youth. Very easy to tell. But over here, I'm not exactly sure. I'm not even sure if it says anything. But I just know that this says Youth right here. Right here, I don't know. It's somewhere in the tee. I'm looking at the camera, looking at this, so it's a little harder. But this part says Youth. And I mess with this tee. It's another very comfortable one. And I want y'all just pay close attention to the details. This is screen printed, but I just want y'all to pay attention to detail. Like, tee's hard. It's a hard tee. Another one. Like, shoot, we had this one. We had the puffer. We had a lot of nice tees that Dylan sent me and the different things. So that's dope. We got this one right here, another one from the Halloween collection. I pretty much noticed that all the pieces he sent me were from the Halloween collection, because Halloween collection was actually one of my favorite little drops that Worldwide Youth did. I was a huge fan of that. So, you know, got this tee right here. And we actually have a whole nother one to go over. And I think this one's pretty limited. So let's get into discussing this. So basically, from what I can tell on this tee, I gotta unbox it first. Hello, trash right there. But basically, right here, what we got is we got the Worldwide Youth Halloween tee. As you can tell, this definitely came from the Halloween collection. We got the jack-o'-lantern right there, and then basically just says Worldwide Youth. Kind of Halloween themed colors, as you can tell. So we do have some like purple and kind of yellow and orange flames, and then also inside the pumpkin, you can tell there's some purple. What just fell? My Google Home just fell. That was random, but basically, yeah, we got this tee right here. And you know, I really messed with it. The jack-o'-lantern is fire. I'm gonna put this one on too. And I just love how they designed the Worldwide Youth letters too on every single one. Like, y'all kill that part. So as you can see, we got the Worldwide Youth tee on. I like how it fits. This fits on your boy clean. This is a clean fit. Basically, this tee is super dope. We got the jack-o'-lantern Worldwide Youth. You know, you can see that. Obviously, it's gonna look different for how it looks. Never mind, that was dumb. I don't know what I was trying to explain there. I guess it's how I view it on the camera versus how you all see it on video. I don't know what I was trying to explain. But aside from that, I think the colorway theme for this tee is dope, and that's just one of the really big things I wanted to go over, is that I like how they designed all the colors together on this tee. It made it look into somewhat of an abstract design that is actually really well done, and I really mess with that. All their pieces, I think they did a great job. I was a big fan of the puffer too. That's like probably my favorite Worldwide Youth piece ever, aside from the rugs. My friend and me are a huge fan of the rugs that they dropped. So shout out Dylan, man. I couldn't even ask for all this. Just thank you, bro, for giving me the opportunity to make this video. And of course, if you guys want to go check out them, it's going to be all in the description. Go check them out. Go follow them. I support this brand. You should too, in my opinion. Got another unboxing from them right here, probably around $400. And kind of like a little underrated brand unboxing, hype piece unboxing, whatever you all call it. They're not like hype piece yet, you know. I don't really know what you guys consider hype piece nowadays. I know what I consider hype piece nowadays. They get in there, but I just think they're a dope underground, low-key streetwear brand, and I think their stuff's dope. So shout out Worldwide Youth, and thank you guys for sending me this stuff. And yeah, why don't we roll that outro? Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing though. If you guys did, go check out Worldwide Youth below, and also be sure you guys subscribe. Sorry right there, but make sure you guys subscribe, because we're so close to 25,000 subscribers. We may hit it by the time this video is out. I'll say that again. And also drop that like. 107 likes, and I'll try and do another unboxing like this, another low-key one, maybe with some different brands. I always try and support all the low-key brands, because I mess with all y'all. You all start somewhere before you get and turn into a big brand. Shoot, Virgil was even low-key at one point. That's crazy to even think about. But that's pretty much all I gotta say. Just want to thank you all for watching this video, especially if you're still watching now. Comment some more videos you want to see in the future. That's pretty much all I gotta say. Follow my Instagrams. Check out the Revenge Storm giveaway. Link in description. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna say. Thank you all for watching. I'm Tristan. And check everything out in the description. Peace.